We have the senior leadership of FIBRO Rotary Tables with us today at IMTEX 2025. We're going to ask them about some of the latest initiatives, some new products that they're going to launch today. So firstly, what are some of the new initiatives, some new products that you're launching at IMTEX 2025?
In 2025, here in FIBRO India, we launch our new product line, which is below us. It's the orange line, the orange tables. The orange table is a complete different technology, and we designed it and also we created it with the local customers in our plant in Pune for the customers in India.
Talking about sustainability is a huge topic today that most of the companies are aligned to. Can you tell us something about your sustainability plans? What are the kind of initiatives you have taken in that regards?
For us as a German company, it is very important to have sustainable products and also process for our customers. We love our green world, we love our earth, and therefore our products are very safe energy, but also when we're going to produce our products, we try to use green energy for very, very sustainable production.
What are the kind of opportunities that you're planning to tap, some new markets that you'd like to tell us about?
Our products are delivered to well-known branches in automotive, aerospace, and green energy. But in the future, we have also the possibilities to deliver in the defense industry, in the food market, in the pharmacy market. Wherever you are, with our products, you can produce Legos, cars, clocks, watches, shoes, whatever you need. With our products, you are well-known and sustainable ideas.
Right. So lastly, how important is the Indian market for you? What is the kind of growth that you're anticipating from the Indian markets? Any plans that you would like to tell us about?
Sure. The Indian market drives our innovation and technology. So we designed for a very specific market, very sustainable products with a different technology which achieves the market. We have a motto in India, they said, money is welcome, but happiness is more important. And we deliver not only good products, but also happiness to our customers.
Thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Heiko Asum. I'm the president and CEO of the global-wide FIBRO Rotary Tables, the headquarters located in Germany with branches in India, America, and China. We deliver rotor tables or index tables for the automotive market, automation market, and also for the cutting markets.